Okay guys, the main reason why you have clicked on this video is because you have received Google Adsense rejection. Okay, Google Adsense have rejected your website, but don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you what you need to do so that your Adsense account can be approved by Google. Last week I've created a new website. So after creating the website and doing everything necessary for the website, I tried to apply for Google Adsense. Now when I applied for the Adsense, they said the account needs attention, as you can see on the screen. Now when I click on the site, they are telling me that the account have low value content. I know most of you watching this video you have seen before. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a method that I applied to this site that they have approved it. Okay, so as you can see, the site is already making some small amount of money. So subscribe and let's go. Now I'm going to show you the method that I applied to the site to make it ready. Or for Google approval. Now guys, I'm going to be sincere with you. Okay, anytime I receive this message, it's very boring or it is very painful anytime Google have rejected your account. Now the best method that I think I will give you, that nobody will give you, is the only method that can solve this problem, is just go back to your website. Okay, check the pages, check if the pages are in order, and also check, or if it's possible, then you need to change the template you are using. Okay, let's change your template you are using and make sure that you have at least 30 to 40 blog posts, and make sure those blog posts are having at least 500 to 1000 visits on them. Now if you have done all these things and they still reject your account, this is the final advice I'm coming to give you. What you need to do is that sit down and write a blog post about 1000 to 2000 words, okay, or generate a blog post. But in case you are looking for a better way to generate blog posts or write a blog post, I have a link to a video in the description box below. Try and watch that video. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Guys, in case you are facing this, write a blog post about 1000 to 2000 words, okay, and also with a customized image, then publish it on your site. Now this blog post should be at least 5. Okay, this long blog post should be at least 5 long blog posts, which should be about 1000 to 2000 words. Okay guys, this is listen to this thing very attentively. Okay, now after you write all this blog, publish it on your site, buy some views for it. Also, in case you don't know where to get views from, I've done a video in the past. I think the link will be in the description box below, how you'll be able to generate view for your blog post. I think it's there, so go and watch it. Now buy views for it. After buying the views for it, then apply again. Guys, that's the method, that's the secret. Okay, so the secret is that just sit down, write at least 1000 2000 word long blog posts, design your own custom pictures, post it on the site again, and buy views for it and apply, and guys, your site will be approved or will be ready, as you can see on the screen here. So this is what I do for this site, that it gets approved. So when you log inside this site, you can see that all the blog posts I'm having on this site, sorry my network is very bad. All the blog posts I'm having on this site, they are getting massive views. You can see they are getting massive views. So guys, this is the secret I'm giving you in this video. This is the best way to solve Google Adsense. Okay, in case you have received this message, so they say you have low value content, this is the best advice I'm giving you. So in case you have done that, just come here, confirm that you have fixed it, and what, request review. Okay, but guys, in case it didn't work for you, comment and let me know. Or also, in case you still have another method that you think is the best method, just comment below. I'll review it. If it's nice, okay, I'll record a video and give a shout out to you. Thank you all for watching my video. Remember, you're seeing a challenge where I make 30 videos in 30 days, and I guess this is day 19 of the video. And thank you so much for your support and love that you guys have shown me throughout the journey for 30 days, 30 videos. Even though it was not easy recording videos like this, but thank you for watching the video and also liking the video. See you in my next video. Peace out.